Yes.
So I'm a little confused. Is it possible to get some examples of how we can use helical piles in day-to-day world?
Yes. So helical piles have nearly endless applications. Anything that requires a foundation or to be anchored to the ground can use a helical pile. For instance, you can use helical piles to support your mailbox, the deck on your home, to when you're building your home, you can use helical piles in conjunction with concrete to be sure that the footing, the foundation walls never settle or crack. You can use helical piles to repair a settling or cracked foundation using our underpinning bracket. You can use helical piles to support your shed, for instance. Larger projects, for instance, you can use helical piles to support wind turbines, solar panels, solar racking, to strengthen concrete swimming pools from settling and cracking. Again, pretty much anything you can imagine that needs a solid foundation, we can use helical piles.